Hey everyone, this is a brand new fire alarm test video. Welcome to Fire Alarm Test 22, and today we're going to be testing the ceberus pyrotronics MTS75-F. This is a ceberus pyrotronics multi-tone horn strobe, and this is the one without the magnifier, and it's a pretty neat looking device, and we're gonna show you. See, and it's got fire lettering on the sides, and it's really nice, and we're gonna look on the back of it. And it's a 4-wire device, by the way, and the model number is MT-S75-F. This is a ceberus pyrotronics multi-tone electronic horn strobe. So this does have 8 tones in it, and this is a pretty cool alarm. But surprisingly, it is 4-wire, but it's a 2-wire device right now because of these little 2 jumpers right here. If you want the excuse me, and if you want to run the horn and strobe independently, then you have to cut 2 of these jumpers, but I don't really want to do that because I'm afraid I might break my device, but I want to keep this in mid condition as much as possible. And the label is worn out. Well, for the independent strobe and horn, we got the S negative and the S positive for the strobe, which is on the left, two left terminals, and the H minus and the H plus, like the negative, is on the right hand side terminals. And this is basically all you see back here. And some electronic horn strobes have wires coming out of here. Some of them have that feature, but this one does not have that. And it does not have the magnifier either. So there was issues that I have encountered with this alarm when I got it. First of all, the strobe was a little bit loose, and the porcelain that holds it in is kind of broken, so I have this little piece of paper holding the strobe in place. So trying to keep this in good condition, and the strobe came disconnected for somehow, so it was extreme pain to fix, and I got the strobe working, and the horn still works. And this has a horn inside it made by Motorola, and it's not like your average True Alert horn. It's completely different. It's got a Motorola horn inside, and these are discontinued, by the way, because this is a dead knockoff of the Wheelock MT, because MT thought that like I don't know why, but trying to focus on the alarm. And the strobe is 75 candela, by the way. I'm sorry guys, I don't want to cut the jumpers because I like to keep it in mid condition. I'm sorry about that, guys, but well, anyways guys, let's hook up the device, shall we? This is my first ceberus pyrotronics device. I can't believe it. So just give me just one moment, please. Okay, now let's test the alarm itself. And for the tone that I have it set on, the tone that I have it set on is continuous horn. And this is going to be very, very strange, guys, but I know most ceberus pyrotronics continuous or code 3 horn tones on these alarms are mostly F sharp, but this one is actually a D note. I think that's very interesting. So I think that would be a rare sound, so I'll probably be the first person on YouTube that is going to be testing that type of sound. That is D, like D major, pretty much. continuous horn or code 3 horn is basically the tones that you would hear in a school when these were installed in a school. So, and the strobe is 75 candela, so I think it's time. I've been rambling for like 5 flippin' minutes, but let's get started with the test. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey Google, turn off the light. Hey Google, turn on the light. That was pretty cool. That was really amazing. And yeah, the strobe is flashing a little bit fast, guys. I don't know why it does that. It just does. And the strobe was kind of at 15 candela when it was bright. I think it's the lower voltage that I'm using. I'm using 18 volts to power up this alarm. Yeah, the strobe is 75 candela, but sometimes it flashes slow sometimes, but it flashed pretty fast in the video when this thing was going off. So, it's a really nice Ceberus pyrotronics. So this was going to be my first Ceberus pyrotronics fire alarm that I ever tested. And thank you very much, guys. And if you want to see a video of me doing all the tones of this alarm, please leave a comment down below if you want to see all the tones of this alarm, because, well, I am trying to figure out how to use this thing, but I figured out like most of the tones. I'm trying to figure out all 8 of the tones. Well, I know the single stroke chime and the high-low and the bell or something. Sometimes I'm not really a big fan of multi-tone horn strobes, but it's a really neat looking device. So I really hope you enjoyed Fire Alarm Test 22, guys. And if you want to see more fire alarm tests, please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And there will be more fire alarm tests in the future. Hopefully you enjoyed Fire Alarm Test 22. Thank you very much, guys. So, thank you. I really enjoyed making these fire alarm test videos, and it's January 10th. So, hope you guys enjoyed it, and that'll be it. Thank you for watching. That's it.